Presenting a pre-owned 2012 BMW. This four-door sedan has a six-cylinder, 3.0-liter i6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This BMW has less than 92,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 20 miles per gallon in the city, and 30 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free AutoCheck Vehicle History Report. Key features include Premium Package, Technology Package, Keyless Entry, Satellite Radio, Heated Front Seats, Navigation System, Automatic Climate Control, MP3 Player, Sirius Satellite Radio, Anti-Lock Brakes, Cruise Control, Power Steering, Moonroof, Leather Seats, Power Door Locks, Stability Control, Traction Control, Bluetooth, and Power Windows.